Hey YouTubers, JD here today, and we're testing out and seeing if this combination of oven cleaner and SOS is going to clean pans that are that dirty, sparkling to new stainless steel clarity. Oh, that's a interesting word. So we sprayed this one. You got to wait about 15 minutes, and we'll hit it with the SOS. So I'll show you the results. Stand by. Well, the moment of truth is here. Let's see how it did. Okay, so we got the pan clean, but with this pan, it has a coating on it. So if it was actually this color, this pan when you started with, when you originally bought it, it'll be this color, like a stainless steel, but this has a coating to it, so, you know, it didn't remove any of that coating. So I would say yes, it does work, and I would try it again on a stainless steel pan without the coating. So I want to show you this today, and I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for watching. And always ring the little bell over here so you get updates. Have a great day.